How long does it take to create AI SCADA's monitoring interface? Maybe we need a week, a day, or with only just half an hour. Hi Iwant, I'm Quentin, an AI engineer. Today I will demonstrate a real-world case, how to use AI SCADA automatic generate dashboards features to intelligently upgrade a silent existing touchscreen dashboard within half an hour. Now let's dive into interface and see how to be achieved. First, click the AI button to activate the auto generation features into my requirements using natural language, and you only need AI to help me to create a monitoring page for the robotic welding workstation using a card-based layout. And I want to see several key information modules like displays, real-time welding currents, and the voltage using a light chart, and today's output and the cumulative welding times. And the last, I need to a certain array to place cumulative. And next, we only need wait for the AI to analyze our requirements and generate the dashboard. And the dashboard will have our required data, like today's output, live vision feed, and real-time parameters. And we can click to save it to our page. Select the entire generates page layouts with the mouse. Then use Ctrl Add Shift Add G to split the components group for easier adjustments and modifications. We can launch the variable service to see the effects and drag and drop to quickly resize the components to appropriate size. Demonstrates that the generated chart components are attract components or capable of linking to attract data tables in variable management. We can demonstrate handling reserve camera video displays, remove unnecessary contents, locate the video monitoring components from the components library, and drag and drop to quickly adjust its position and size, and fine-tune the dashboards and save the project. Traditional upgrades may take 3 days or longer, but if we use the AI SCADA from the data integration and the interface generations, we can fully meet the customer requirements just in half an hour. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can subscribe our accounts or comments under our video.